How to add a background to an Excel spreadsheet. Have you ever had the impression that Excel can be too monotonous? If you want to know how to add a background to Excel and make it more interesting, stay until the end of the video and find out how. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel we want. I will choose this one as an example. When Excel is opened, in the top menu, we will find the page layout section and click on it. Here, a large number of options related to the appearance of the page will be opened. Among all these options is the background option. When you find it, click on it. A window will open asking you to select the option from where you want to import the photo. I will choose from File because I will insert an image that is on my computer. The File Explorer will open, where we will scan the image and click on the Open button. And that's all. This way you can set the background on an Excel spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.